chapter 8 and 9. Chapter 8, location study. Okay, location. Chapter 8, location studies. Chapter 8 and 9. Hyundai, Kia, Seoul. Why they came to Alabama and Georgia? Why? Location. Why?
Space, land.
They'll have to import cars.
Any reason, right? Any reason and some rumor.
Rumor?
Tax breaks.
Yeah, tax and labor, some reason and some rumor. I live in Montgomery. I work for Montgomery campus. Then I like to play golf. So weekend I go Robert Trent Jones golf course in Prattville.
Oh, Trent
Near
Jones.
here, what is that? Another one there, right? On Saturday, I go Prattville, Robert Trent Jones golf course. Then, if I see cars, Hyundai, that means Hyundai doesn't work on Saturday. If I go there on Saturday, not many Hyundai cars in parking lot, that means Hyundai work that day. Rumor. Because the Hyundai people likes to play golf, so they locate.
In the south.
Rumor. So anyway, location is very important. Customer, labor cost, tax, and many things, right? And one major reason is infrastructure. It's like 85, I-85, and then I-65. Then Hyundai is about here, Hyundai, and Montgomery area. Then there is railroad, airport, then down there Mobile, the port. So the highways and
Railroad,
so
airport,
transportation, yeah, transportation, and then labor there. So Hyundai factors, not rumor, factors, Hyundai locate the plant there, and somewhere here Kia, right? And along this highway, many suppliers. So location strategy. First, logistics. Definition is the management functions that support the complete cycle of material flow. Later in chapter 11, we will talk about supply chain and supply chain management. Logistics almost the same meaning as the supply chain management. Okay, supply chain, we will talk about later. Anyway, manufacturer need part, right? So from supplier, receive and then produce and then send it to a customer, right? So flow, material, management function, that is logistics. And third-party logistic companies, you know, such as FedEx and UPS and a trucking company,
Mhm.
they move part and product and so on, right? For a certain company, right? Logistic company. Hyundai and Kia has own logistic company. Name is Glovis. Glovis, Glovis.
Mhm.
Glovis. That is logistic company for Hyundai and Kia. And decision related to logistics, transportation, right? Which transportation, railroad, highway, air, water, that is important. And then factors, decide the location, such and such. Proximity to customers. Okay, when you go a certain store, then they, when you pay, they ask you zip code, right? That means the store is considered open new location, new store. So they survey where customer more like that, right?
Hmm.
Customer, and then total cost, something, the material cost, labor cost, and so on. Quality of labor. So many things when you decide location, consider. Okay. Then when you decide the location, something method. One of them is plant factor rating system. Factor rating system. Many cases, but in Korea, you know, the capital city of Korea is Seoul, right?
Mhm.
And that is the largest city in Korea. It's the same, about the same size of New York. It's about 12 million size. And second largest city is Busan, the port city. Busan has airport, but more customer now, so Busan needed a bigger airport. So Busan city considered build a new airport. Then finally, if Korea is here and then Seoul up there, Busan here, then two candidate location like this. One in inland, one in like an island. Then compare two locations using this factor rating system. Okay, for airport, what is the most important factor? Safety, right?
Mm-hmm.
Safety and customer, many location factors. Then, example like this. Certain company consider a new location is about something plant maybe. Then the most important factor is fuels in a region. Then second important factor is power, and then labor and so on like this. Then the most important factor is higher weight, something like this, and so on. Then give them a score based on the factor, like this, and then higher winner, like this. Okay. This is factor weighting system. Anyway, Busan couldn't decide any because of something politics. Anyway, still it's gone. And next method is plant location method. And the next one is transportation method, linear programming. Multiple customer and multiple suppliers like this. Usually same number, n. Then how can we match in terms of cost? Minimize cost, minimize time, or maximize profit or sales, something like that. Then using linear programming. We will talk about linear programming later. And just to let you know, one of the location method is transportation method. We will talk about that later. One more method is centroid method. I'm not sure here. Let's see, Auburn here, and Phoenix City here, and Opelika here. Then if Walmart here, and here, especially, certain store has a location like this, existing location. Then if this store need warehouse or something distribution center, then where is the just physically where is the best place?
Oh, central between.
Somewhere here, right?
Mhm.
Center. So centroid method, when we use, if we have multiple existing location, then if we need something somewhere the middle way, beside the middle way, then we use the centroid method. Okay, here. If there are some existing location like this one is Southern California near Los Angeles. Thousand Oaks, Glendale, La Habra, Anaheim, Long Beach. Disneyland is in Anaheim. Then this company need maybe a distribution center. Then each location need maybe gasoline. Then Long Beach need 1,500 gallons of gasoline. Anaheim need 250 like this. Then, using coordinate, you know, the physical location coordinate, y coordinate and x coordinate, right? Location. Find x coordinate and y coordinate for a centroid location. And then it's about based on how many or how much they need, volume and location, coordinate. So, why? Don't worry. This one will not be in quiz, just to let you know, in case, okay?
Yes.
Later, or now, even now, maybe you are a project manager to find location for your company's distribution center or something like that. Then you can use, right? Just to let you know.
Absolutely.
So just look at this. Don't worry. Don't mind. Okay. Center point, x coordinate. Each location's x coordinate times they need. First location, Long Beach, x coordinate is 325 times the volume that location need, 1,500.
Oh.
Plus, next location, Anaheim, x coordinate is 400 times 250 volume need. And so on, divided by total volume. Then this is centroid point x coordinate. Centroid center point y coordinate. Each locations, existing locations y coordinate 75 times volume plus next one 150 times 250 and so on divided by total volume equals 216.7. 217 is y coordinate for a centroid.
This could be on the test. This is easy. What you doing? I'm just asking.
Too easy.
It's easy.
Too easy for a quiz.
Yeah. We could do this. Man.
This is centroid method to decide location for existing location. That's all for chapter 8. Very quick, right? And chapter 9.
Very short.
Layout management. Layout. Why layout is important? Why? In terms of make better, cheaper, faster.
That's right.
In 2010, I came to Troy University Montgomery campus, and then our department gave me an office, and then very kindly gave me a new furniture, table, bookshelf. So my office like this, door. Then they placed table like this. And bookshelf and drawer chest and something like this. And then my chair is here. Then for a student to come and then need a chair, right? Then they place chair, like student chair. Then something uncomfortable come in and then
Exactly.
like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then a student come and sit here. The space is narrow. So I change it myself. One night I brought my tool, drill, and change it like this.
Mm-hmm. You put the desk over there with those things that the
Door
bookcase.
is like this. Place desk.
Yeah.
No. Desk.
Mm-hmm.
And bookshelf and drawer chest.
Right.
My chair, then a student chair here. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. Student come right in, go right over there.
Simple, right?
Mm-hmm.
Simple access and then more space for our students, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Privacy.
better, right? This is layout. So I'm teaching operations management. So use operations management, layout management. So layout is important in operations management, safety, move less, and so on. Key decision for long-term efficiency, efficiency, and flexibility, capacity, use more same capacity, but use like this, right? And then customer contact better, student come, more space, comfortable. So that is location, layout. Layout design, when we design a layout, higher utilization of space, equipment, and people. I did, right? Change my office layout. Improve flow information and material. I did simple, right? Moving simple path. And then improve employee moral and safer working condition. When I was doctoral student, then I took teaching workshop. Then at that time, when not customer, a student come to office, my office, then always open the door and make something student and teacher barrier by table.
Mm-hmm.
So something harassment, something issue. So always open the door and table, make a barrier. I did. And improve customer interaction, and flexibility. So when we design layout, we should consider these things. And types of layout. There are 4 types. Work center or functional layout, such as office layout, retail layout, warehouse layout. Office, something like this. Usually school office or a classroom like this, corridor and then something like this, right? refill, we have aisle, right? And the warehouse the same, right? This case, for example, clinic or hospital. No. Retail layout is better example. Aisle, something like this, right? Store, right? And cash register here. First customer needs something and come in and then go there and then maybe go there and then buy and then out, right? Next customer, not the same, right? Maybe here and then just go out, right? Another. So every customer, different paths, right? That means we need not all the same, all are different. Then we need customization, right? If all process are different, not the same, this type layout is better layout. And assembly line layout. Usually assembly line layout is straight. So maybe on TV, on news, the car make the plant move, right? On the straight line. Assembly line layout, product oriented layout, assembly line balancing, you know, the bottleneck problem, uneven capacity, make the same, right? Needed line balancing. Then usually this type is a straight line like this, assembly line, something like this, and then product move like this. Work center functional layout, different types of different process. This one, all the process the same. Then using this. Making car, same one, right? Same one move. That case, using this line type. And manufacturing cell layout. Another name is cellular layout or work cell layout. Cellular layout. Group technology. It says philosophy in which similar parts are grouped into family, cell, from work center or functional layout. Let's see, if there are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 functional or work center like this, then let's say first customer A, need 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, and out. B customer need let's say 1 to 5. C need 3, 4, 6. D need 3, 4, 5 like this. Then find similar. This one and this one similar, 1, 2, right? This one similar, 3, 4, right? And then maybe 6, 5, and 6. So change this like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 cells. The first customer come here, then go there and out, and so on. So this is the advantage of this cellular layout is simplify path. Look at this. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5 like this. Complicate, but this one, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5. Simple, right? So make it faster, make it cheaper, maybe better too. So that is a manufacturing cell layout from work center, or from assembly line layout. Assembly line type, all the same, goes, and so on. Then sometimes special addition needed, like
The side mirror.
the side
Yes,
mirror,
yes.
automatic. Other ordinary general model doesn't have, but some special edition, right? Make cell, go. Ordinary just pass, something like this. So in that case, we can use cell. So cellular layout, that is cellular layout, and project layout. We did the project management, right? Chapter 3, right? Project. Usually big one, right? Big one. Building a house. House there, worker and equipment move, right? Product is there, fix it, right? So project layout is fixed position layout. Product is there, and then worker and equipment move. Like build the oil tanker, big one there, then people, worker move, and the equipment move. But others, like the assembly line, workers there, product move, right?
Gotcha.
So project layout, usually product is fixed, worker move.
Worker move.
So fixed layout. That's all for chapter
Yeah.
8 and 9.